I love body work.
Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video from Upstate Garage. And in today's video, this is part 3, I believe, of the Mustang rebuild series. We're gonna be knocking out all the body work on the Mustang GT. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe down below so you don't miss out any more content from Upstate Garage. And let's get straight into the video. So what I'm gonna do is actually cut these off, sand it all down with 80 grit, and throw some Bondo on it. So let's get it going. Alright, so we got all the areas sanded that needs some Bondo. Should be steady from here. So we're going to use some fiberglass, mix it up, and then we're going to hit it with some body filler. Oh, there's not much in there. I gotta get some body hammers because I keep having to use these back sides. Man, it's been like not even 5 minutes and this stuff's already dry. It's summertime, dries quick. Alright guys, so we just tore this entire wall down. We're going to be building the new wall, so we had to cut it short yesterday for the body work, but we'll finish it up. Alright guys, we're back at it for day 2. Right now we're going to mix up another layer of Bondo, wipe it on there, and start sanding. Alright guys, so we're back at it for probably day 3 now. It's been taking forever because we have to keep doing random stuff, doing some construction. You already know what the move is. Man, my dad's grinding up in there. He's going hard. Alright, so I did get some glazing putty right here. Let's mix them up and start spreading it on the car. We literally got it all perfect right now. All I gotta do is hit it with some glaze with 180, 320, and then shoot some primer on it. So, let's go. I love bodywork. Mixing around too. I'm gonna lay some on there, and then there was a high spot up there, so I hammered it in. I'm gonna wipe some glaze on it. Sit somewhere behind, something like that, and then we're gonna build off of it right here. All right, just got the bottom plastic welded in place. So now around the area, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of 80 grit, and then we got fiberglass right there. Check that out, man. Can't even tell if this thing was repaired. Came out so good. We shot some Bulldog adhesion promoter right before we shot the primer on top. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel down below if you want to see more videos like this, and also follow me on Instagram at Upstate Garage, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank y'all for watching.